understanding the nature of vision. Understanding the nature of vision. In the book of Proverbs chapter 29 and in verse 18, it said, where there is no vision, the people perish. But he that keepeth the law, happy is he. This morning our objective is threefold. Number one, understanding the nature of vision. Number two, we shall be defining what vision is from the scripture. Number three, understanding the roots of vision, biblical vision. By way of introduction, in the first service I said that vision is a critical and vital necessity for life. As far as life is concerned, vision is almost as critical as oxygen to the soul. The uselessness of life without vision can be seen in the wastefulness of a man who appears on the farm without knowing what he came to farm. The man who went to the market without anything in particular he came to buy. When our children were growing up, there was this thing they got for them. I think a movie, I don't know how Alice in Wonderland. So one of the days, I don't know, I just was watching along with them. Then the big bird was going and asked one of the characters there. He said, please, where is this road going? And then that other character asked, and where do you want to go? And the bird said, nowhere in particular. Then the character said, then it doesn't matter where the road is going. Just follow the road. Since you are not going anywhere in particular, it doesn't matter. You just follow the road because you are not going anywhere. Anywhere the road goes, follow it. And it will lead you anywhere. A life without vision is like following a road going nowhere. And if you don't know where you are going, you will not like where you will end. You won't like it. This is how vital vision is to life. That you sleep every night with a purpose, with reason. You wake up every morning with a reason. And I am going to identify about 6 important things that we must know about vision that confers importance to vision. Number one, and I'm not going to follow what I said in the first service because of time, and I want everyone to please pick up the first service message, or rather go online and watch what was preached in the first service. But for this service, number one, life has a bearing with vision. Vision gives life a bearing. With vision, your life is following a particular direction. That is, with vision, you know that your life is going somewhere in particular. Your life is headed somewhere. Without vision, life has no bearing. I remember many years ago, I met a young man my age. We grew together. But he was not doing well in life. And I said to him, what What would you like to do? Can you be assisted to set up anything, business? He said he can't think of anything. At the time we were talking, he was being in his 40s. He can't think of anything. I said, okay, think over it and come. It took him about 6 months. He wasn't doing anything. When he came back, he said, he has known thought of what to do. So I gave him some money. He returned back about 6 months later with the money intact. He still didn't know what to do. He still didn't know. No beer. I'm telling you, real life. That was where I realized that the devil is not to blame for everything. That somebody is stranded or somebody is not making anything out of life. It's not all about the devil. It's not all about witches or wizards. It's not all about the forces of darkness. There are people who have nothing. They don't have any idea of what to do with life. Life only has a bearing with vision. Number 2, life gains enthusiasm with vision. Enthusiasm. People of vision are people of enthusiasm. With vision, you are enthusiastic about life. You are optimistic with life. Where there is no vision, there is pessimism, negativism. With vision, there is optimism, there is enthusiasm. You find life interesting with vision. So write a vision, make it plain. People of vision, they enjoy their lives. Somebody told me yesterday, was it at the crusade ground? He said, you are just enjoying your life. It's true. You are just enjoying your life. Very, very true. Are you tired from the things you do? Not necessarily. Even though we need rest from time to time. But there is such a tonic to life. Such an enthusiasm. When your life is headed in a particular direction. Number 3. Life and time are burdens without vision. Life becomes a burden. Time is burdensome without vision. With vision, if you know what to do with your life, time is an asset, not a wastable asset. If you don't know what to do with your life, time is a liability. You have plenty time with nothing to do with it. I am on the crusade ground, yet I am preparing messages, I'm preparing notes, and doing other things that have no bearing with the crusade. Fully engaged. If you have too much time and you have too little to do with the time, beloved, what you are suffering from is the bankruptcy of vision. Time is an asset. Where there is vision, time is a burden. Where there is no vision, life becomes burdensome. Sleep tired, wake up tired. Because you don't have what to do with life. Number 4. Vision molds character and instills positive habits. When a man